Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Francisca. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove sticker labels off your Ankara print fabric. About 80% of the time, I work with Ankara print fabric, and most of my viewers on this channel are Nigerians. So it means that at one point or the other, you have worked with or you are going to work with Ankara print fabric. I'm crediting this video to Juliet Uzo because she shared a different method. I was using something different but similar, if you get what I mean. So I'm crediting this video to her because she actually inspired this tutorial. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Please click the subscribe button and click the bell so you get updates when I post new videos. And now let's get right into it. So guys, what I usually do when I want to remove these stickers before now is to place my hot iron directly on the sticker label and leave it on for a few seconds, and it's always easy for me to peel off the sticker label. But I usually notice that by the time I do that, I still have like the gum on the fabric. So I usually notice some gum on the fabric. My fabric will still be sticky. Even though you even put a thread on it, it will stick to your fabric. I saw Juliet Uzo's method where you place tissue paper on top of your sticker label. So I've cut strips of tissue paper. If you don't have a paper towel, you can use tissue paper. She used a paper towel in her video. So just place it on top of the sticker label like this. So can you see? Just place it on top like this. And then what you will do is to place your hot iron on top of the tissue paper where your sticker label is. The heat from the iron will sort of like make the glue melt so that your sticker will be able to detach from the fabric. So I'll just place it like this for some seconds. And I feel like the reason why the tissue paper is there is so that when you're peeling off the sticker label, it won't, be very, very hot to touch. So I'll just remove the tissue paper now, and then can you see how easily my sticker label is coming off? So if you do it like this, your sticker label is going to come off easily. I still have like a bit of gum residue on the fabric where the sticker label was. So did you see that? So I'll just place my tissue paper right on top of it. And then, apply heat again. So we're going to see how this will work. So we're just going to apply heat for some seconds again. I'm going to take off the tissue paper now. And can you see that the fabric is not following my fingers like it was before? Before it would, follow my fingers up. So guys, this method is actually quite amazing. So if you want to get rid of the labels from your Ankara print fabric, go ahead and, follow this method. You can watch Juliet Uzo's tutorial. I'll link it in the description box. And it felt as if the tissue paper sort of like absorbed or took out the rest of the glue on the fabric with the heat. So this method is actually great. Just make sure that you are not applying a lot of heat so you don't, burn your fabric. So I'll go ahead and do the same thing for this one and, get rid of my Ankara print labels on them. I'll be doing the same thing. Place the tissue paper on top of the label right here. And then after enough heat has settled, what I'm going to do is to take out the label. Can you see? Very easily. It's coming out very easily. You still have like a bit of glue here. Can you see? So I'll place the tissue paper right on top of it and then apply more heat so that the tissue paper will take out the rest of the glue on the fabric, and voila, you have your glue-free Ankara print fabric. So it's awesome, right? You guys should go and thank Juliet Uzo on her channel. I wouldn't have known that you could actually use tissue paper on your print fabric to do this. If you knew, good for you. I'm almost done with my gum removal process. So what I'm going to do is now lift up the tissue paper. So can you see that the fabric is not, following my fingers as much as it was before? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and now you can go on to, remove your print labels from your Ankara fabric. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and turn on the bell so you get updates when I post new videos, and I'll be seeing you in my next tutorial. Bye.